Today's church service was very direct. It was amazing. I understood one of the demands of success, and the preacher was very direct in how he explained the demands of success. Some of the few things he mentioned today, which I took personally, and I applied it to my life, is that a great coach doesn't make a star. It is the dedication of the player that leads to good results. In another example, I could add, a great teacher doesn't make an astounding student. A great teacher doesn't make a great student. It's the student's commitment to study and prepare. The teacher could do a great job, prepare a great lesson, teach well, but if the student doesn't follow up on what they've been taught, they will not do well in class. Also, the pastor added as well that not everyone wins in the race of life. Why? Because not everyone presses till the end. Furthermore, we were told that if we don't have respect for facts, we can't go too far in life. There are facts to every endeavor in life, every field, finance, engineering, business, marketing. There's relevant facts. But if we ignore these facts, we may not go far in life. I also learned a few days ago that lack of information is the reason for many people's frustration. And this is something I applied to my life. The reason some of us are kind of stagnated, we don't know where to go, we don't know where to turn, is because we lack information about where to go. But we've been encouraged today to search for information. In fact, we were told that there is nothing extraordinary on its own. It is man's extraordinary input that makes it so. That's why you see that two people can own a sandwich restaurant, but yet one is selling more than the other. Well, it's not that this person looks better than this person, or there's nothing tricky about it. It's just simply that one of them perhaps is paying the price, another one is not, or another one has found the information about how to make that business a success, and they applied it to their lives. One thing that the pastor mentioned in closing was that information is the foundation for transformation. Learn what it takes and give it all it takes, and success will be your portion. Success is not a promise, it's a covenant. Until my part is played, breakthrough won't happen. The one thing I also learned as well is that we shouldn't be in a hurry. It may take you longer than everyone else, but truly when you get to that destination, the whole world will see you. In class, you may be a slow reader. Okay. You may be, it takes you longer to complete a certain assignment than others. You may be the last one in the exam hall. It's okay. Practice, practice, practice. At the end of the day, an A is an A. So just be steady. And let's apply this to ourselves this week. As we step out, let us take steps towards that glorious destiny that God has prepared for us. God bless you.